Hi everybody, Sean here from PassFirstTime.ie, Ireland's online driving school. A quick look at the second exit off of the roundabout. This is the exit that causes the most confusion. In this short video, we're going to look at going straight ahead if there are no road markings, which means it's what lane? It's the left lane. So you enter in the left lane as normal, yield to traffic, and you're right in traffic already on the roundabout. But watch the path you take once you enter the roundabout. This is the main point of this video. So you move out and you make an imaginary lane away off to the left here. Round you go, and once your shoulder reaches the island on your left hand side, you're going to signal left and leave. Be careful not to take the path as here, going straight across. This is the most common mistake I find people making. Take your correct lane out around the outside, signal left and leave. That is the correct lane to take the second exit off of a roundabout if there are no road markings. And of course, it's straight ahead. Hopefully that has helped. Another tip on the way shortly. In the meantime, check the website PassFirstTime.ie. Bye for now.